Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. This one will be a repaint of this DRACULAURA doll. I have my doll all prepped and primed and ready to go. So I actually did film shots of the doll before I took off her original face, and I'm an idiot and I deleted it, so this is actually what the doll looked like before. I think I did a little bit better with my base coat this time, so you can see that my pencil crayons are actually adhering a little bit better. So this is my third face up that I've done, and one of the things that I noticed is that if you're using cheaper chalk pastels like the Artist Loft ones, they actually do a little bit better than the Prisma ones, I find, just because that they're more flaky and there's more dust basically, so I feel like it adheres to the face better as opposed to really good compact pastel chalks. Whenever you're using chalk pastels, just make sure that you go slow and build up the opacity, because it's really hard to fix pastel chalks if you make a mistake, or if you go too dark. Because this is the last doll that I have right now, I will probably not be doing any face-ups anytime soon, but if you guys are interested, I will definitely go and head out and get some more dolls and do some more face-ups. There's going to be a point where you see that the eyes look drastically different between shots, and now that I say this, you're going to notice it, but I just noticed some placement issues with the eyes that I didn't like, so I repainted the eyes I think about 3 times. If anyone has any suggestions on any sites that carry brushes that only have like 10 bristles, that would be very much appreciated, just because all the brushes that I'm using, I'm just cutting down to be really fine brushes, and I feel like I'm kind of ruining them, but not really. But I would like to also invest in brushes that are just very fine brushes. You'll notice some very ugly irises. I will be changing it afterwards. I've noticed that sometimes people are afraid to use simple tools such as toothpicks or Q-tips or the ends of your brush to make simple dots. Do not be afraid of them. They are easy to work with. If you have to use bobby pins, use bobby pins. Use toothpicks if you need to. Don't be intimidated by having to have really good tools. You can get away with using simple tools as well. I don't know if it's because I'm filming or I'm just under pressure or something, but I really didn't like the eyes, so I redid them. It's totally okay to start over when you make mistakes. I'm not sure if I want to get her a wig or to redo her hair, but I will be keeping her hair intact because I do like it this way, but I do want to see her with light pink hair. Also, when I got this doll, she didn't actually have curly hair. I did curl her hair myself. For this doll, I tried to make the makeup look very neutral, but also have a strong pink undertone. I really like how she turned out. I think because I went with more neutral colors and pink colors, these are all colors that I'm very comfortable with, so it just kind of felt like doing my regular makeup, but on a doll. Yes, I'm just holding her between my thighs, and yes, my desk is very dirty. I went ahead and added a whole bunch of tiny cute little freckles, and then I gave her a gloss sealer over top, and then I'm done. I dressed her back up in her original dress, minus a couple accessories because I feel like they have too many accessories. The little makeup palette and the purse are both made by me, and they're available on my Etsy shop. if you're interested in the glasses, they are made by a local artist. I will link her below. I hope you enjoyed this repaint, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!